What's up, guys? It's Raf, the Rafcave. Thanks for dropping by and checking out this video. Look at this guy, Elgato, right? Elgato, pretty much world-renowned as the streaming friendly capture card, capture game, all that kind of stuff into your PC to be able to show the world in your videos. This guy here, the Cam Link 4, is meant for hooking up your high-end camera or high-end camcorders to this to translate into your PC. So they'll be able to capture a lot of great footage, and hopefully it works well for me since I have a standard HD Sony camcorder that I haven't been using. Why not dig it out of the closet and be able to connect it to this, hook up to the PC, and be able to do a different angle of streaming, where I can have the angle where you're at, looking this way from my camcorder, and then I'll have the webcam in front of me to do multi-angles if need be, or I could be able to use my camcorder to show footage from the screen here on gaming sessions too. So a couple different options, but I needed a device that's going to handle the HD and possibly 4K in the future to be able to connect it to the PC and do a live video and integrate it into my software that I'm going to be starting to use to do some streaming stuff. So let's get it unboxed. Welcome to the channel. I'm Raf. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I do videos on all kinds of stuff in my Rafcave. I love it down here. Hopefully it inspires you to get your own kind of a room. And thanks again. All right, so let's get this unboxed, see what's inside, connect it to the computer, and hopefully it all works out well. Let's go. All right, here we go. The Elgato Cam Link 4K, unleash your camera. Comes with the USB 3.0 extension cable, the Cam Link 4K device, dongle. Simplify your workflow. Stream and record with your favorite tools. Level your content. Plug and produce. Pretty basic, pretty simple. All right, let's get this opened up. Take it off first. There we go. Black pin. Slip that guy, slip that guy, slip that. Alright, we gotta take this off. I don't want to destroy the box too much. Okay. Oh, we got some tape on the sides. 1, 2. There we go. This will make it easier. Nice little Elgato box. Boom. There we go. Extension cable here. And the device itself. That's it, guys. It's a small little simple device. HDMI into the computer. Sends your captured camcorder or camera right into the PC. Fantastic. I'm going to get this set up right now. What's up, guys? So while hooking up the Elgato cam stick deal for my camcorder, it will not work on my PC at the moment. Unfortunately, it needs USB 3.0, and this guy will not work on USB 2.0. So I had to go out to Best Buy and pick up something with my son. Came with me. We drove we drove about an hour to a Best Buy to pick up this USB 3.0 PCI adapter card that I had to go get and install on my PC to give me the full bandwidth of USB 3.0, which the cam stick will enjoy, and which also actually will improve my external hard drive speed, so it's kind of a win-win. Now, gotta make sure my motherboard will support these two little guys down here. So let's go into my PC and hook this guy up, and let's get that 3.0 action going. All right, be right back. This is my PC. This is the Rafcave PC.
Nothing special, guys. This is an old Gateway. I've had this PC for over 10 years, and it's running strong. Got the GeForce 960 in there, and Corsair 430. Not the most powerful power supply, but it does the job. Now, lo and behold, as I open up my motherboard here, I have the adapter that's fit for this guy right here. How lucky am I? So I'm going to hook up this bad boy right down there, and I will be enjoying, hopefully, the full bandwidth of a USB 3.0 so we can continue on this streaming journey. Alright guys, I'm going to install this. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Home Theater rules. Rafcave out.